Hello, I'm John from YourNetBuddy.com. Welcome to the Digistore24 review. Digistore24 is a German-based store that's it's going to be very similar, I think, to Clickbank. And the main problem with Clickbank is that you're okay if you're living in Australia, America, the UK, and similar places, but in many parts of the world, it's not available to you. Whereas Digistore24, they've worked very hard to make it available all around the world. And if we go to the top here, for example, and look in the marketplace, you see there's all different subjects, very similar to Clickbank, only there's not as many products in here at the moment. If I just click on digital products, well, in the internet marketing and e-business that I've clicked on at the moment, it says there's 28 products available. And there's a few here that are not too bad. I've heard of some of them already. This is quite an interesting one. It's called eBus VIP, and it's actually an eBay course for people that maybe got a bit tired of Shopify and things like that, and they want to try their hand at eBay, which is basically lots of traffic all ready to buy, and you just put your products in front of them. I've been having a closer look at this. If you wanted to look at the sales page, for example, just go down here, click on the sales page, and it takes you here. This one's got a video in it. I played a little bit of the video and it looks very interesting. And there's lots of products like this. But before you can promote any of them, it is, by the way, virtually automatic acceptance when you do register. So you just need to go to digistore24.com and then you click on register now. And it brings you to this page here. So put the username you want. I'm just going to try YNB for your NetBuddy, because see where this is going to be your affiliate link here, and your username does appear is YNB in my affiliate link now. So it needs to make sense to you. You maybe don't want to make it too obvious, because in the past with some products, hijacking's gone on where people can just take out. You know, if this was your name here, Bill Smith instead, people could see that in the link and just take out the Bill Smith and put in their own affiliate link or someone else's, and then they would get the commission. So if you keep it something that it means something to you, but it's not quite so obvious, it just gets lost within the affiliate link. And again, there's something else I would do with this affiliate link. I would use Pretty Links, which is a WordPress plugin, which has a twofold purpose. It makes this look a lot nicer because it will have the URL for your website in it, and then it links to your product. And we'll look at that later on towards the end of the video, because it will actually show you a way to be able to track this link as well to see how many people are clicking on it. So anyway, I'm going to try and see if this username is available, YNB. Then it wants your email address. Oh, username field must be at least 6 characters in length. And then your email address. And then do it again. Choose your password. Now your time zone. Mine's London, UK, but you can see all different parts of the world here. Europe, Australia, Atlantic. You can scroll through this in your own time. It's got so many different countries listed. So you just choose one of them, which I've already got the UK, and then just fill in your name. So I'm going to go through here, and then I'll come back to it once I've signed up. So I'll pause the video just for a moment here. I just finished filling in my form, and I clicked on register for free now, but it didn't go through. It sat there with a spinning wheel for ages. And the only change I made to get it to go through was I came back to the phone number, and I hadn't put the code in for your country, which for the UK is +44. So if you just put +44 if you're in the UK, or +41, or whatever part of the world you're in. And then normally from your telephone number, you remove the first 0. So this is the way it was when I sent it off. +44, remove the first 0, and then put the rest of the numbers in. And then you click the 2 boxes here. You may not have to click this one here, but if you read it carefully, it does say, I hereby revocably order the Digistore email. So if you don't like the email coming on a regular basis, you will be able to stop it again, because it does say it's revocably. Don't normally see that word in these boxes, but it doesn't say irrevocably, it says revocably, so you can cancel it at any time. So once you've done all that, just click on register now, and you'll get an email to your inbox, to the email address that you put in further at the top. And then there's some more instructions to follow, which are very quick, and I'll show you what they are now. I just went to my email address and I clicked on this. It's come back here, and it says, before you sell or promote products, please verify your phone number. So you click there to verify your phone number. Let's do that now, see what happens. It's got the phone number in, send verification code. I've just heard my phone go off. The verification code is in there. So I'll pop it in, and right, it's accepted the verification code, so that bit has disappeared now. Then it wants you to enter either a VAT registration number or a tax identification number. So I'll click on there, and it'll take you to this form here. So you can put your VAT number in here if you're in the UK, or whatever number you have for your country. If you're not VAT registered, then instead you can put... in the UK, they call it your UTR, your unique tax reference number. So you can put that in this box here instead. And then you scroll down to the bottom and you click on save. So I'll do that later myself. And the other thing you need to do is to set up your Payout account. So if you click on that, it's got your current password there. So that'll be the one that you use to sign in normally. The payout is on the 7th and 21st of the month, and the minimum threshold is $50. I'll have it set for, because you can choose down here what currency you want. You can have it in all currencies. I prefer to get it in US dollars. Notify me by email, so you can put the email address in there that you want to be notified on. And the payout method. You can have PayPal, which is what I'm going to choose, but also you can have bank transfer or international bank transfer. If you click on any of them, then there's some more information they need, which is called an IBAN and a SWIFT code, which you can get from your bank. They'll let you have those numbers if you don't already know what they are. But I'm going to leave mine set to PayPal. Right, so once that's all done, you're ready to start promoting things from the marketplace. So if we go up to the marketplace, click on all offers on the affiliate platform, and then you can start scrolling down to any category that you're interested in. Now, personally, I'm interested in the internet marketing space. So let's click on internet marketing and e-business, and then you just scroll through the products. You can click on if you want to have a look at the sales page, say you were interested in this one, for example, you can have a look at the sales page here. And this is the sales page that all your future customers will see when you start to promote it. So if you go through it carefully and just check it all out, I happen to know that this guy is called Matt Parr. He's a very successful YouTube channel runner. And he's got lots of channels. I think he's got about 9 different channels, millions of views, makes a fortune from it. And is actually a really young guy. He doesn't look much older than 20. And it makes you wonder how someone so young can be so successful. But he is. So he is someone worth listening to. And I'd be quite happy to promote something like this. Because the only way to have any success in the internet marketing world is to only promote quality products. So if you promote rubbish, you might now and again make a sale, but you'll lose that customer because they won't trust you again. So always make sure that you research everything and make sure the products are good quality before you promote them. So if I wanted to promote this one now, I would go back here to the marketplace, and there would be a button here saying promote, just like there is on these other ones. There's not one here because I've already clicked on the promote button, and so now I've been given my my URL here. So if I copy that, I'm just going to do Command C or Control C to copy that, And what I would normally do, because it's not a very tidy URL, if I can go to if I show you what the URL looks like in this one, it's quite a long URL. So what I would normally do is I would go into my WordPress dashboard, which is here. I'm into the back of my website, and then if you go to plugins, add new. If you've not already got this one, it's called Pretty Links. So you click on add new, and then you type in here. Here it is. Pretty Links, link management and branding. Mine's already saying it's active, but on this one it would say install now for you if you haven't already got it. So just click on install now and install Pretty Links, and then activate it. You'll see a button pop up to activate it. And once you've done that, it will be added down here on your dashboard. So if I go to Pretty Links and add new, it comes up with this page here. So I would put in here the target URL. This is where you want the person to end up. So that's the affiliate link that I just copied. So I'm going to Control V and paste it in there. And it tells you that the web address now that you would send people to is actually your website name, which in my case is your NetBuddy. And it's put these digits here, 83YK. You could just keep that if you wanted, or you could actually type in that box and delete it and put in something that's easier to remember. So if it was Tube Mastery, I might just put TM. You have to be careful that you don't put it in capitals if you don't want capitals, because you have to have it typed out exactly as it looks. I'm going to put it all in lowercase. So I've got there yournetbuddy.com/TM. So now I just go over to the right here and click Update. And here we have it now, Tube Mastery. And over here it's got yournetbuddy.com/TM. Now the beauty of using Pretty Links is because when you look down where it says clicks, obviously the new one has got no clicks so far. But as you scroll down, you can actually keep a track of how many people have clicked on the links. It's a good way, especially if you're using any kind of advertising or you want to know how many clicks you're getting on your URL. So this is a great way of checking on it. And if we just go back up here, so if I go into yournetbuddy.com/TM and press enter, it takes me straight through to the Tube Mastery sales page. So now if anyone clicks on this to buy it, and let's see if we can actually see my link mentioned anywhere. There we are. Down at the bottom here, bottom right hand corner, it's got Your NetBuddy. So that's my username, and it's actually carried the link through, even though it's been through a couple of places, including Pretty Links. It's still taken my affiliate link with it. So now if anybody buys this, just by filling in the details here, then you'll get the commission on it. Well, I hope you found this helpful. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. At the bottom of my video, there's another way that you can actually get a lot of traffic, because traffic is the most difficult thing to get to any of these offers that you have. And I've got a short course. It's a 12-step marketing plan that actually works because it gets you free traffic to any offer that you have. And it involves YouTube, because that's my favorite platform. And if you want to just click on the link below, it will take you through to this free offer. It will keep you busy for quite a while, but it is a definite step-by-step plan that you can follow, that if people actually take action and do the work, they usually get results. In fact, not usually, they pretty much get results if they take the action, because the problem is that most people, they don't take any action. They read things, they dream about it, but they don't actually take the action. And of course, any action you do take needs to be in the right direction. And in that course that I'm offering underneath the video, you'll find some steps that actually work if you take the action. You won't be wasting your time on them like you do on many of these things that come from places like Warrior Forum, JVZoo. You can occasionally find a good product on there, and they're the ones that you would promote. But most of them, 9 out of 10 probably, are just not worth promoting. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to speaking to you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.